Hey, what's up? And today I'm going to teach you how to make a harmless virus. Now, keep in mind, this is a very simple virus, and of course, hacking is super illegal, and you can get up to 20 years in prison for it, so definitely don't do evil with this video, this information that you're being given, but basically just don't do bad stuff in general with the information I'm giving you. And keep in mind also that this virus isn't really meant to be like a major full-blown hacking attack. It's really basic. It doesn't really do anything. It just, well, you'll see. It just opens a bunch of programs, and it's just kind of more of a show-off move for your friends and family. It doesn't really do any major damage to anyone that it's inflicted on. But anyways, I'm going to teach you how to do it. So we're going to start by saving a batch file, calling it whatever you want, yada yada yada. You're going to start with the echo off command. Under that, you're just going to do the start command. Actually, wait, no. What you're going to do is you're going to put that colon and just whatever in there. Just a name for whatever. Which I'm just going to do virus for this case. And what you're going to want to do is the start program and some other program like Chrome or start CMD, MS Paint, start. And so basically what this is going to do is it's going to open up a bunch of other windows, and it's just going to really annoy your victim, and the whole point is just kind of be a dick, you know? So, anyways, you can do as many or as little of those little windows as you want, but point is, you're going to do the go-to command, go to, and then the name of what's up here. The little tag up here, yeah. And so this creates an infinite loop where tabs just keep opening on your person's computer. And they can easily combat this by turning off their computer. It's pretty simple to defend against, but anyways, you're just going to save this. And I'm not stupid enough to run this on my own computer, but I bet you can imagine what would be going on. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. Peace.